How much does boiler replacement cost in the UK? Boiler replacement prices in the UK range from under £2,000 to over £5,000. And if you don't understand why, you could massively overpay. In this video, I'll explain exactly what affects the cost and how to avoid being ripped off. I'm Michael from BeFix, gas-safe registered engineers installing and repairing boilers across London. In the UK, a simple like-for-like Combi boiler replacement usually costs between £1,800 and £2,500. That includes removing the old boiler, fitting the new one, flushing the system, installing a filter, testing everything, and registering your warranty. If your system needs upgrades, such as new pipework, a new flue, or a system boiler with a cylinder, prices usually rise to £3,000 to £5,000. Cheap quotes often mean corners are cut. No power flush, no magnetic filter, or no proper commissioning, and that leads to breakdowns later. When should you replace your boiler? If your boiler is over 10 years old, losing pressure, or breaking down regularly, replacement usually saves money in the long run. For a proper fixed-price boiler quote, contact BeFix today on 02080584241 or visit befix.co.uk.